Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at this Phalanx. This is a rotary tool. Now this one is kind of an upgrade from one of the ones that I looked at before. This was sent out to me for review. As you guys know, I'm all about that craftiness, laser engraving, 3D printing, all that type of stuff. So we're going to take a quick look at what comes in the box. So of course, you're going to get your rotary, you're going to get a bunch of accessories that come with it, a number of different bits, different types of bits for different things. It also comes with, as you guys can see here, your different sanding, little tools as well. Now let's start off with what comes in the box. So the first thing that you see here is your USB-C to USB-A cable for charging this. That comes in really handy, and it just stays in the box all the time. So if you don't need it, just leave it in the box. You also get, show you guys here, you get some of these different little pads that you can attach for like buffing and things like that. And it also comes with some little cutting tools as well as some sanding tools as well. So you get all of that in one of these little containers. I like the fact that it comes in a container because some of the ones that I've had in the past, these things are just very loosely fit inside, and I do like that. And then here in this second one, this is where you're going to find all of your different pads, for sanding and cutting and things like that. So that comes in handy as well. All of these come with this kit, which is really nice. So that alone kind of starts things off right, at least within my book, because you get everything that you need easily accessible. So it also comes with these additional polishing pads. You get 2 of those in the box. That's really nice. And if you're not using them, they just fit right back inside like so. Let's take a closer look at some of these different bits. As you guys can see, you have a variety of different bits. So you have 4 rows here. So starting from the top, rows, these are going to be ones that you would use for polishing, some for actually grinding out different materials. So you got different style bits. You have other ones that you would use to actually attach other things to this rotary. So if you're not familiar with the rotary system, guys, there's a lot of flexibility when it comes to using one of these kits as far as all the different things that you're going to be able to do with it. Now, like I said, for me, one of the most important things that I'm seeing so far is the fact that everything fits in this one little case with no problems. All right, so let's get to the actual rotary itself. Let's pop this guy out. Okay, so starting from the top, you have a 3-mode button right here. So the top button is going to turn it on. The center will turn it off. And if you click it down, what that'll do is it will lock this so that you can undo it in order to attach one of these other accessories. So that's where your little wrench is going to come in. You can just, use that. Now this has 9 speeds. So if we turn this on, you guys can see we're on speed 5. I can go to 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's going to be your rotary speed. That's how fast the rotary is going to be moving. So for very finite, detailed work, this is really going to come in handy. And this will go all the way up to 9. Now it gets a little bit loud, but it's expected. Really nice design. Hand-wise, this is going to be really easy to work with. Guys, you're going to get a really good grip on this for, like I said, your detail work, depending on what it is you're going to be using this for. I like this design a lot. This is a really, really nice system, guys. It feels great in the hand. It's very grippy. It has this nice rubberized texture all the way around it. So like I said, it's gonna fit in your hand perfectly. You're not gonna really worry that much about this slipping out of your hand while you're working with it. That to me is a win. All right, guys, I just want to do a quick unboxing and show you guys this product that was sent out to me. Like I said, I do a lot of laser engraving. I do a lot of 3D printing. And to be able to use something like one of these little rotaries to clean up maybe some of my 3D printing jobs, or to clean up some of my laser engraving jobs, or just, for those who don't do any of those things and just want to be able to engrave on, glass or metal or wood or something like that, from a stencil, this could also be an excellent tool to have in your toolbox. So definitely check it out. Yeah, I like it. I like it. And like I said again, I can't say it enough, is I love the fact that this comes in this little convenient case where you can keep everything all in your little case, no problem, ready to transport, 9-speed rotary system. Man, this is a win. This is a win. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.